What is up? I'm in college right now. Right now, I'm actually in our communal kitchen. Currently, I'm making some noodles. I'm waiting for my water to boil. Is it even on? Okay, it's on. I just got back from soccer practice because I'm here playing soccer, you know. I'm gonna make a day in my life video, being a college athlete. Trying to make some food, but this thing is not boiling. So this is my food right now. Got some Fruit Loops. So the last videos you've seen was me in Switzerland, Italy, and France. You know, being a whole traveler. And yeah, the video's been doing really well. I'm actually going on another trip very soon. You'll see that. But yeah, life right now for me is being in college. I'm basically working a full-time job over here, being an athlete and a student. Today, I think we're just gonna do a cook with me. But, oh, we're getting some smoke in here. Today is quite literally just plain noodles. Nothing special about it. I hope this is entertaining. Oh, we steaming. Oh, I should probably turn this on. Fan. Ah! But the fire alarm tends to go off a lot here. Not trying to be that. Oh, story time. Hold up. I was in the shower once, taking a shower after practice. And guess what decided to go off? Noodle break. Oh yeah, like I was saying, I was chilling in the shower, put my little conditioner, shampoo in. Oh, okay, I had conditioner in my hair. The freaking fire alarm goes off as I'm in the shower with conditioner in my hair. I was washing my hair. I was having a good time. I had body wash on still, and the fire alarm goes off. So I had like speed unshower, and then like put a towel and put clothes on soggy. And I had to go outside in soggy clothes with a towel for a freaking fire drill. So yeah, basis of the story, I had to go outside with soggy clothes and a towel out over my head for a stupid fire drill, and it was raining outside. It actually wasn't a drill because someone actually burnt their toast. How do you burn your toast and set the whole building's freaking fire alarm off? This thing is really smoking, and I don't want to put this vent thing on. I forgot my strainer upstairs. Stress eating my Fruit Loops. Stupid thing is so loud. Oh my god, I just made eye contact with the freaking cleaner again. Why is he staring at me, bro? He's walked by 3 times. Because he's stalking me, bro. Okay, do we think this is done? Should I try one? Oh wait, okay, we're gonna try this. This thing is steaming. Usually I try it and it's still hard. Why do I think they're actually done? I think they're done. Oh. Oh, it smells really bad in here. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. What the heck smells so bad in there? People be trusting me way too much. I could easily snatch that stuff right now because I'm very hungry. I can't eat these without my freaking strainer. Ah, my roommates aren't answering me either. I'm so hungry, but I can't strain my freaking noodles. I don't know what to do. I called my roommate, no answer. Text my roommate, no answer. Called my other roommate, no answer. Text my other roommate, not in the room. I'm about to call her for the 4th time. My roommate's coming. The FaceTime got her. Guys, I'm so excited to eat this. It's 3 o'clock. I've only had a peanut butter jelly sandwich. Oh, you guys will see my morning routine. The peanut butter jelly sandwich is a very crucial part of the morning routine. You'll see that in the video that I will make eventually, day in my life. But I need a good day for the day in my life, if you know what I'm saying. Guys, look what I got. It's the strainer. Incoming noodles. Okay, the pot is hot. God, if those freaking noodles go through. Ah, I'm being smoked out. Boom. The sink is smoking. Oh my god. Ow, it's hot. Okay, I need to put these in here, even though they're still steaming, but I don't care because I want to go back up to the room and put sauce on them and eat spaghetti. Okay, so we're just gonna scoopity scoop. Oh, this is bad. They're really hot still. I don't care. Oh my god. I'm not a good chef, and this is showing it. So bad. Like, I got loose noodles everywhere, bro. Watch this. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Whoa. There's noodles in here, and everything's washed. I totally didn't FaceTime my mom and ask if it was bad that I put steaming noodles in here. Put that on, do a little boop. Boom, we're good. I'm just gonna eat these noodles. I need to go up to our room and get sauce and eat these immediately. Guys, I made it back to our room and no one's in here. Yeah, this is our prison. It's kind of a mess. And it's time to get my sauce, which is in my fridge. I got 2 open ones, don't kill me. I'm gonna mix them. And then I got a fresh one just in case. I think my roommate put this water in here, but am I gonna drink it because it's cold? Yes. Ragu. Balling on a budget. We are budgeting here. Got me a plastic bowl. Turn my little light on. Whoa. All right, DIY, how to make noodles and sauce, lasagna, whatever. So first you get your ragu. That's kind of really old that I'm not gonna use because it kind of looks disgusting. You get your ragu. This one's also probably old, but we're gonna use it. We're gonna pour it in. It smells fine. Balling on a budget. Then you just the claw into your noodles here. Use the new ragu because balling on a budget is not healthy. Oh my god, no. Oh my god, I can't open it. This is really bad. Oh my god. What am I gonna do? Ow, bro, how do people open cans? Oh, ha ha. Hey, that looks like what it's supposed to look like. I forgot the cheese. Okay, but we're just gonna, don't wanna start the building on fire when someone's in the shower. Freaking burnt toast. We're just gonna put this in for my fork. That was a lot. Okay, we're just gonna put that in for like 2 minutes. Hello? Hello? Do I have to cancel you first? There we go. 2 minutes in the microwave. Water, fork, cleared the desk. Just don't look at that or this. I'm working on it, I swear. It's Friday. It's a hard day. It's actually Friday the 13th today. Ow, my fucking hand. Ooh, look at that. Okay, yeah, I think it's good. Thank you, microwave. And that's, ladies and gentlemen, is how you make food in college. This is homemade food all the way from where I live to here because I'm very far away from home. I'm actually on the other side of the country, if you didn't know. Taste test time. The moment of truth. 3, 2, 1. That right there is college food. I'm gonna do the water test. Cold. Something I don't have often. That's the end of this video, guys, because it's been chaotic. I'm just trying to live as a college student. Goodbye.